Shown here is a buttress, a strap end channel, and a straight side upright. Go through the hardware packs and separate the different kinds of hardware. This will make it easier to find the necessary hardware when you need it, and to help you become more familiar with the different types of hardware you will be using in the assembly of your pool. Determine which end of the strap end channel will be inside the pool and which end will be outside. With this kind of oval, the longer portion of the channel will be on the outside of the pool. Attach one strap section and one strap end channel cap to the inside end of each strap end channel. Half of the strap end channels will use a 39.275-inch long strap section, and the other half will have the longer strap sections. Place the straight side uprights over the strap end channels, aligning them with the appropriate holes as shown. The open end of the upright should be facing the end with the attached strap section. Secure the upright to the channel using 2 bolts and 2 nuts. Place the buttress around the oval upright, lining up the corresponding holes in each. Secure using a single bolt and single nut. Secure the back end of the buttress to the strap end channel using 2 bolts and 2 nuts, as shown here. Go back and tighten all of the hardware you've just put in. This is very important. All nuts and bolts should be as tight as possible using hand tools.